the whole idea of watching a movie outdoors is perfect. This is I haven't even shown you the complete size of it. I'm just showing you half of what it can do, but this thing is huge, and I'm gonna set myself up so you guys can see how tall this thing is, all right, in a bit. Huge projector screen. I can't even touch. Right now, when I focus, it automatically did the pillar and everything. I'm gonna show you how big it is. Right now, this is indoors. We're indoors right now. But if you want to game indoors, look at, I'm using a regular wall, no projector screen or anything else, and it's perfect. It runs perfect. Now, if you're ever going to do upgrading on the system, make sure you download it on a wireless first, so you can update the latest apps, all right? And then you can take it anywhere. So right now, I'm going to show you how bright it is. It still works right now. I can still see it, and I have the lights on right now. But you are going to require some lights to be off. So just make sure that you're aware of that before you even start downloading any applications, installing it, and using your iPad or your mirror casting. Or, like I said, if you're HDMI connected directly, you're going to require these. Now, the great thing about the projector screen, they give you an option. If you can't hit something, you can always go into mouse mode, all right? Right now, we're going to go into 4K videos that we're going to run the world so you guys can see how sharp this thing is. This thing runs at 8K, but right now the reality is 1080 on this thing. Now, the projector screen also has audio that you could set it up. I'm going to go all the way up. I'm going to give you 10 seconds of audio. Alright, so if you're gonna watch outdoor movies, this is Projector does everything. Now, if you notice, this wall is not a perfect wall. It has a lot of scrapes, bumps, and holes, but the projector is overwhelming that you can't even notice those things. So if you're gonna set this up for yourself or your kids or for your gaming, it's a perfect man cave that you can set this up for. Not only that, it makes a great gift too. So if you're gonna look for some projectors, very petite, very small, easy to set up and easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy this video.